Welcome to Champions Gate. We are at a new community here in Champions Gate. The area is Davenport, the city. And if you're not familiar, Champions Gate is a very popular area. KB Homes is the builder that is building out where we are at. This is Bellaviva. And the home behind me is a beautiful two-story home. We're going to take a tour here in a few minutes. It is called the 2566. That's the floor plan model. They name their floor plans after the square footage of the home. So it's a nice size home. And if you would like to find out more about the incentives that are being offered, I don't like posting them because they change often, but you can reach out to me. I'd love to try and get you into this community, get you the information about what their incentives are and all of that. Homes to be built. There's plenty of homes that have been sold here, and there's plenty more to come. So if you don't mind, take a second, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon so that helps our channel and our calls out. And let's check out the home.